Hello everyone, welcome to Tim's Kitchen Plus journey. Today I'm cooking some delicious white potato curry with coconut gravy. You can eat this with rice or any kind of bread or eat it by itself. After watching this video, please like and comment and also please subscribe to my channel. So let's look at the ingredients. Here I have some fully boiled potatoes. Then I cool them and I will be cutting them into pieces in a little while. And here I have a quarter teaspoon of chili powder and also 1 teaspoon of unroasted curry powder. And here I have half a teaspoon of turmeric, some cinnamon, some salt as per your taste, and also some Maldive fish, about 1 teaspoon. Then I also have some fenugreek seeds, about quarter of a teaspoon, and a green chili cut up, and also some onions, quarter of an onion cut up. And also I have about 1.5 cups of coconut milk, and also about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. So let's see how I'm gonna make it. So I'm gonna put the stove on. I'm gonna put it to about medium heat, and then I'm gonna pour the oil, a little bit of oil. I'm gonna keep it for a little while, and then I'm gonna add the unroasted curry powder, the turmeric, and the onions, Maldive fish, cinnamon, salt, fenugreek seeds, and the green chilies. I'm just gonna cook this for a little while, for 30 seconds. And then I'm gonna add the 1.5 cups of coconut milk. I'm gonna pour it there. And then I'm gonna mix it. If you think it's not enough turmeric, you mean the color, you can add a little bit of turmeric. So while it's cooking, I'm gonna cut up my potatoes. You can cut it into pieces. Each one about maybe 3 or 4. You can cut it. Now the potatoes are ready. Let me look at my coconut gravy. I think I need a little bit of turmeric. I'm gonna add a little bit more turmeric. About quarter teaspoon. I'm gonna boil this for about 2 minutes. And at this point you can check your salt. If salt is not enough, you can add salt. So after this I'm gonna add the potatoes after about 2 minutes. I'm just gonna add like 2 at a time, or you can put it in a like a spoon and then put it into the coconut milk one by one slowly. Because the potatoes are already cooked, they tend to break sometimes. So I'm gonna keep it for a little while, maybe about another 2 minutes. I'm just gonna cover this like a little bit halfway. Keep it. So this is, I'm using medium heat still. So I'm gonna see how it is. Slowly I'm gonna mix it. You can either keep it for another like 2 or 3 minutes and then switch it off. I'm gonna switch it off right now. So hope you all enjoyed. Please let me know if you have any questions. After watching, please like and comment on this video, and also please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, I'll be bringing another delicious recipe. See you then. Take care. Bye.